Hi guys, this is a book called Building a Bridge. I think this is a really interesting topic. In fact, you might want to, as you look at this book, you might decide that you want to build a bridge at home with some materials. That would be kind of a fun thing to do. Okay, let's see what this is about. Building a bridge. So bridges go over rivers and lakes and bays and swamps. And they go over, well, they go over everything. If it's a bridge, it can go over anything basically. And some of them even float. And here's a fun fact. This is the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. And Valerie and I rode across this bridge on bicycles. It took a long way and it was very windy. Anyway, bridges have all kinds of shapes. This bridge has the arch on the bottom and then the road on the top. And some carry people, some carry all kinds of different things. It's a way to get across. So this bridge is in Australia and it's made of steel and concrete. And then this bridge is a rope bridge. And it's kind of, I bet this kind of sways back and forth. And then this bridge is in France. Looks like it has 2 levels maybe. These are all kinds of different types of bridges. This is a flyover bridge, aqueduct, viaduct, and causeway. You might want to try and make some of those bridges. Ooh, this is interesting. This is actually over in Illinois. This is in Alton, Illinois. This is a fancy bridge. So first, workers have to build supports under the water, obviously, or it wouldn't stand up. So these are some of the tools that they use. And then they have to build the supports across the piles. So they have to build a special dam, and the dam holds the water back so that they can work where it's dry. And then they build something called piers. And after that, they put pieces on called girders. The girders are what holds up the road. And then they put steel bars between the girders, and then they have concrete. And that is building a bridge. I can't wait to see if you come up with a bridge that you build.